What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Ergo, and today we're gonna figure out the DNA of my John Deere 420C. Ever since I became a platinum, a card-carrying platinum member of the two-cylinder club, I'm feeling pretty good about myself. Jared's here. He's got the secret stuff. We're gonna open it right now. Look at this card. I don't know if you can see it, but I mean, it says platinum card member right there. That's one of the highest honors afforded to you by society. Right. How else do you become a platinum tractor club, two-cylinder club? All right, open this thing up. Don't show everybody my address. The moment we've all been waiting for. Should the tractor be yellow? Should the tractor be green? What implements did it ship with? Was it really a crawler? Okay, honestly, I think that one's pretty answered. What else you got in there? All kinds of stuff? Man, they sent that whole box for literally 2 pieces of paper.
This is a guide to years of serial numbers, different tractors.
Oh, nice. So each serial number, right here we have the year, and then we have the serial number that started with that year. I know it's like impossible to see because that's some tiny print. But if you have a 420, it looks like 56 would begin in 80,001, 57 would begin in 100,001, and 58 would begin in 125,001. All right, what do you got?
All right, here we go. The 420's right on top.
Fancy with this seal.
Date, March 1st, 1957. Finish date March 5th, 1957. Ship date March 6th. Wow, so it went right out. 12-inch regular steel track shoes, 46-inch track center, 5-roller frame with rock guards and long track frame, special front end support complete with grill and grill guard, provisions for mounting crankshaft driven pump under grill.
Nice, we've got the hydraulic pump in there.
Speed hour meter for 5-speed transmission, special exhaust silencer muffler.
Pretty sure we don't have that.
Yeah, we might.
This thing's straight piped.
Antifreeze, dry charge battery with packaged acid instead of wet charge battery, sprocket shields for 5-roller track frame, gear type direction reverser, and 5-speed transmission for industrial tractors built prior to February 3rd, 1958. Wide seat attachment.
Boom! The tractor's going back to yellow. Yep. Can't wait. This is gonna look super cool. Yellow John Deere lettering. All right, let's get off this one. What else we got? We got 2 of your tractors in here?
Just one, right?
I don't know. I thought we sent them serial after serial, but okay.
I have my 60.
Row crop gasoline.
Yeah, pretty simple.
Man, no comments.
No comments.
But hey.
Warehouse date June 7th, 54. Ship date June 9th.
Nice.
Shipped to the Minneapolis branch.
Cool. That's it.
For those of you guys who are interested, the two-cylinder club will do any John Deeres or any two-cylinder Deeres that you have, and they have all the history of obviously they can tell you everything that your tractor came with, and it's not printed on regular printer paper. It's like
cardstock. It's slightly thicker paper.
It's a decent paper.
Not quite cardstock.
Yeah, not quite, but
so what they actually do is they go to the archives at John Deere, and they just have someone sit down and write everything down, and then they send it to you. It's,
John Deere used to do it for you if you just emailed the archives at Deere.com, but they quit doing that for some reason. So
I wish they did do that.
This is your only option now, pretty much.
Looks kind of cool. We can put it in a frame too and sell it with the tractor if we ever decide to get rid of it.
Yep.
Hang it up behind it on the wall. So, are you ready for more news? The engine machine work is done. So we just have to order the piston set. That's going to be on its way here soon. And after this, let's run over to the machine shop and take a look at the engine. I think he got it's finished actually. Cam grind's done, crank's checked, everything's done. So let's go see it. So we're heading over to Stan's machine shop, AAA Machine here in Wichita. He's got the engine, and I think he's ready to give us a big update. So we're going to be there in a minute. Hey Stan!
Making some progress.
That crankshaft looks amazing.
Well, it's better than it was.
Better than it was. Shot of the cylinder there. Let's see, which one had the damage?
It's kind of hard to tell, isn't it? I think it's this one.
Okay, okay.
I think down the bottom, maybe.
It looks
No, I
really
think I
clean.
told you wrong. I think it's this one. No, what?
Wow.
Little, yeah, that was that. That was that one.
Okay.
See a little discoloration in the top.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, I see it right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Crankshaft looks all right. Camshaft
Cam
looking
looks
pretty good.
Yeah.
Cleaned up pretty good. These look a little different to you.
Yes, they do.
I got these all
Nice.
refaced.
Nice.
And the lifters, same thing on the bottom of the lifters. Got them, no rust on them any longer.
Saved all the lifters, didn't
Yeah. And the connecting rods, they cleaned up pretty well.
you? Okay. Awesome.
The bushings were in good shape.
Perfect.
Good news there, huh?
Yeah. Head pressure tested okay?
Yeah. We need the springs. We got
Okay.
the valve springs coming, I think.
Yes. What else did you need? I forgot some of the other things. I got.
This may be something. I don't know. See,
Was one of them?
that one's
Oh yeah, that one's
Very short.
Very short. Wow. That's definitely not good.
I think that was somebody probably put that on to make it.
Of course, I dropped it down in there.
This little guy
Oh,
here.
the manifold there.
Oh my!
Was it a mess?
To get that out,
Uh huh.
that bolt was in on the head there,
Okay.
and to get this out of here, had to cut the head off of one of these bolts,
Uh huh.
and cut the head off this bolt,
All right.
and it still wouldn't come out. I had to heat it up,
Uh huh.
and then I had it in a vise and all that, and I moved it this way,
Sure.
and I unscrewed the whole thing, and that bolt stud just came out with it.
Wow.
It's around here someplace.
There's a stud that looks pretty beat up.
That's it.
That's it.
Yeah, that's what's left. Of it.
Wow. That thing is 8 to pieces.
Oh yes.
There's our piston that's really torn up.
Yeah.
That thing's nasty. Dirt's packed in there.
Bad.
All these old things, you know, everyone just serviced them out in the field and
They did.
slapped it back together, whatever it takes to get home.
That's where I think this short spring came in at.
Yeah.
It was
Sitting around and
somebody
they.
had to plow the road or make it flat or something, you know.
Absolutely.
Plow the corn. Who knows?
Sure. Well, thanks for the update. I have some parts coming soon. And
Okay, good. Sounds good to me.
I'm just going to let you put it back together too. And you're the master here.
Oh my. Well, I think I remember.
Yeah.
We got books.
Right. We've got the service manual too.
Yeah, you
So
bet.
that should help. Mm-hmm. Cool. Well, thanks so much, Stan.
Sounds good.
We'll follow up here in a bit.
Have a good day.
Thanks. We are headed home to order some parts. Stan added to the parts list. I also have to get all the bearings. We're gonna go ahead and replace the main bearings, cam bearings, basically every bearing in the rotating assembly at least. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. So let's start ordering parts. We'll hop online right now. All right, let's order some tractor parts. So we're on New Paris Tractor. It's weird, these are all used parts and I need some new parts. So we need the gasket set, valve springs, piston rings, pistons, the .125 over pistons. Actually, I think I can search for .125 and it'll come up. Well, I'm having no luck on this website. It's actually really weird. All the parts I've seen for this were like brand new and you could tell they were like fresh pistons and everything like that. And I suddenly cannot find them. Let's see. My brother sent me one link. It's not even a link, he just sent me a picture. And he was like, this is probably the piston. Let's see if I can dig it up.
I love how it says, like, specifically says new parts and everything's used.
Yeah, there are no new parts.
That's weird.
Complete engine gasket set right there. They're just screenshots, so I don't actually know where to get this. Let's just search for this part number. JDS3065.
I love that he sent you screenshots and not links.
There we go. I know, like, why? Send me the link. So, okay, there's our rebore kit. Add to cart. Let's see. Shop by John Deere. Can I sort? No, let me add a model. 420. Hey. And now, part type. It's probably an engine parts. Oh man, the carb's $349. Carburetor repair kit's $58. I probably should order that, but we'll hold off on that. Where's that gasket set at? Complete engine gasket set, and it does not have the soft plugs that I need. Okay, well, we'll buy that. Obviously, we have to have it. Okay, there's our camshaft bearings. Let's go ahead and order those. Added. We've got the pistons, got the gaskets figured out. I just need soft plugs, and then we'll get measurements to make sure that all the rod bearings, cam bearings, main bearings are correct before I pull the trigger on those. I was not expecting to be at like $700 already just in a couple parts. This engine's gonna be nuts.
You have to put that one in the garage because it'll be our most prized.
Yeah. Supercars. Man, they're cheap compared to these John Deere's handmade pistons. Where's these valve springs at? Valve training kit. That looks nice, and of course it has new valves. Okay, we are stuck already. I want to order the valve springs without this kit. My valves are fine. Everything's been checked out. The head's together basically, other than having the valve springs in and the retainers. Hopefully we don't have to order this. I'm going to call Steiner tomorrow and see if they'll sell me just the valve train, just the valve springs, of course, and we'll get measurements and order the rest of the bearings. Right now, let's get rid of $500. I guess I should get their 99-cent hat. Enter code H19. Alright, we got a hat for $1. Okay, here's our order, the first order of parts. Camshaft bearing set, rebore kit, 0.125 over, complete engine gasket set. So what we're missing now is soft plugs, valve springs, rod bearings, main bearings. And I think that will pretty much wrap up this engine. We'll have Stan assemble it and get it out the door. So place order, $500 in parts, another few hundred to go. We are going to get this thing back on the road, and it is going to have the best built John Deere engine out there, I think. Stan kills it. I can't wait. And that's it.
I think you can officially spend $500 way faster than me.
Yeah. It took like 5 seconds. Okay, here's a partial order of parts, and money's gone. So, that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.